how do you pay your BH road tax after 2 years? So you basically go to this parivahan.gov.in, select the state that is applicable for your registration. This is the state where you first registered your BH number, right? Click and close. You should basically register for the account over here in the website. Since I've already got it, I will log in here with the details. Once logged in, go to online services, pay vehicle tax, enter the registration number for your vehicle, and it will basically trigger an OTP to your mobile number that was first associated with the BH number registration. Click on generate OTP, enter the OTP that is sent to your mobile. Click on submit. You then basically select the tax mode, which would be the lump sum 2 year. The amount will be automatically calculated and it will show you what is the tax duration that you are paying it for. So in my case, it was from May to the May of 2024 to May of 2026. Once you click on submit, it asks you to confirm the details, and de- once you have checked your details, you will click on confirm payment. After you click on confirm payment, it basically takes you to the payment gateway. You select whatever is suited best to you and then click on continue. Once done, it will take you to the payment page. Make the payment. Once done, the e-receipt will be generated that confirms that your tax is now paid from that duration until the next 2 years. As simple as that. You can print the receipt to save it for your own records, or probably show it to anyone if it is requested for. Thank you for watching.